Meteorologist Zoe Mintz now joins us at 6:37 on this Sunday morning. And Zoe, no beautiful sunrise today, but
Nope.
for some of us here in the Bay, we still do appreciate and love the fog.
I love the fog. I think it makes you appreciate the sunshine a lot more because if it was
Absolutely.
sunny every day, we would just expect it. Again, we can't expect that kind of weather because in May gray, June gloom's just around the corner. Where's the sky? July, August. We all know the drill when we're from the Bay. But if you're not from the Bay, maybe you're visiting and you're wondering why is it so cloudy? This is a very typical weather pattern for us. It is actually normally one of the coldest summers in San Francisco out of anywhere when it comes to major cities in the United States. And quite a lot of that cloud coverage and that chill is making its way overhead, mainly because of a large storm system that is very slowly drifting towards us. Temperatures very similar to what we felt yesterday. Mid-50s by the afternoon hours, kind of a rinse and repeat. We'll be in the 60s all across the Bay, upper 60s inland, low 60s along the coast. But either way, we definitely are looking at more widespread cloud coverage across the entire state of California. And that swirling whirl of low pressure that we were looking at yesterday, it's kind of expanded as it's coming into contact with land. It's weakening. So don't expect a whole lot of rain with this system. The fact that we're seeing any rain this time of year is fantastic. This is normally when those rain chances really begin to die down and the wildfire danger returns. But luckily, we're not talking wildfire danger right now. We're actually talking beach hazards. The entire coast from the North Bay, including downtown San Francisco, Bay areas that are definitely close to the coast. Again, you're going to be seeing those beach hazards with higher than normal rip currents, sneaker waves. Keep that in mind. All the way down to Santa Cruz and Monterey Bay, you are going to be seeing those rip currents much higher than normal through the afternoon today. By as soon as tomorrow, though, they should be a bit quieter. The cloud coverage is going to be widespread, basically all morning and into the early afternoon. It's not until the, I would say, late afternoon hours that we're actually going to be seeing a bit more cloud coverage clearing. Inland East Bay after about 1 or 2 areas by the Bay, maybe even later than that. And parts of western San Francisco, directly along the coast near the peninsula, you might not see the sun all day long because that cloud coverage and that marine layer is going to be very thick. And there might even parts of the Santa Clara Valley that are going to be seeing that cloud coverage all day long. So please keep that in mind. It is going to be foggy out there today. It's going to keep those high temperatures cooler than normal, low 60s directly along the coast. Like I said, upper 60s farther inland. But this is all ahead of some rain that's going to be heading our way. Today, no rain to talk about. Maybe an isolated misty condition along the coast because of those low-hanging clouds. But it's not until tomorrow that we might see a little bit more shower activity. Most of it's going to be across the Central Valley, but a few of those showers definitely could be heading towards our inland East Bay communities and potentially pushing towards our North Bay by the time that we step out later Monday evening. But it's likely not until overnight Monday and into early Tuesday that the more widespread, heavier rain will be moving overhead. But as it pushes from north to south, it's going to dry out as it does so. So we're really not expecting a whole lot of heavy rainfall. And if you do see rain, most of us are only going to be seeing about maybe 1/100 of an inch. North Bay communities will be seeing those highest totals, 1/4 of an inch to 1/2 of an inch. But again, rain of any sort this time of year is a good thing because by the time that we step out into the mid to later parts of this upcoming week, we'll already be a lot warmer and a lot drier. So yeah, a couple of days of rainier, cooler conditions, we can handle it because by next weekend, inland areas, you're going to be back into the 80s. So again, enjoy the cooler conditions while you can because it makes you appreciate the warm weather and it also makes you appreciate potentially beach weather on the way next weekend. Back to you.